Alright, so to get into Epic, if you ever forget, you can always go into classwork. I'm going to scroll up to the top so you see what yours looks like. Okay, so you scroll all the way down. We're under classwork. Scroll down to learning resources. Under that, you click learning websites. Okay, make sure you scroll all the way down. If you click view material, you can see that I posted our code, so that way, in case you ever forget or if you don't have it saved on your computer, you can copy it right then and there. Okay, this one that says Get Epic, that's the reading website, so click, it will open up. Okay, remember, class code will automatically take us. Yours might look like this. Mine's already saved. Okay, this is under a student account, by the way, so yours should look similar. If you didn't have yours saved, I already copied the code from my other page. You would just paste it and click go. But you might see this here, and that's our class. So click. We enter here. What I'm going to have you do is find your name. I will go to the guest account. So here's that. Now I'm in. Okay, it looks very familiar to the other video I sent. For this assignment, I want you to search Picos Bill. And there's only one thing that pops up immediately, and that's the correct book. And so now that I'm here, I'm going to click on the book. Because I've already accessed this book and started reading it when I was previewing it, it's already in the middle, but you'll appear like this. Okay, in order to turn the page, you see how that big arrow popped up? That's how you turn the page. I want to show you, so this is how you would read the story. Here it is, clicking through the pages, making sure I'm reading. I'm going to click the X for now. When I'm in there, I already favored it while I was trying to look to find ways to show you. But if you click this heart right here, it will favor it for you. And so what that does, I'm going to click the X again. So again, you need to click on that heart. It will favor it for you. And when you've done that, it will go directly to your library. Now that I'm in my library, instead of having to search Picos Bill every time I get on, I can just click my library, and there it is. So do that. Okay, pause this video, rewatch it as many times as you need to. But again, that is how you get into Get Epic, and this is the book we're going to read. So make sure you favor it, and it will appear in your library from then on.